Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Nest Learning Thermostat wiring check and app setup, full guide step by step clearly. Start by gathering all necessary tools and equipment. You will need a screwdriver, a drill, wire strippers, and a voltage tester. Begin by turning off the power to your heating and cooling system at the circuit breaker. Remove the cover of your existing thermostat. Take a picture of the wiring for reference. Label the wires according to their corresponding terminals. Carefully disconnect the wires from the old thermostat. Use the voltage tester to ensure that there is no power running to the wires. Once confirmed, proceed to install the Nest base. Connect the labeled wires to the appropriate terminals on the Nest base. Make sure each wire is securely tightened. After connecting all wires, gently push them back into the wall. Attach the Nest display to the Nest base until you hear a click. Turn the power back on at the circuit breaker. The Nest Learning Thermostat should power up automatically. Follow the on-screen instructions to select your language. Next, connect your thermostat to Wi-Fi. Choose your Wi-Fi network and enter the password. Once connected to Wi-Fi, the thermostat will download the latest software. Now, download the Nest app on your smartphone. Open the app and create a Nest account or log in if you already have one. Select Add Product in the app. Scan the QR code displayed on your thermostat. Follow the prompts to connect the thermostat to your app. Customize your settings, including temperature preferences and schedules. Review the energy-saving features available within the app. Complete the setup process and ensure everything is functioning correctly. Your Nest Learning Thermostat is now ready for use. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.